Look at all this snow. Can't even get in the driveway. We were here the other day and got stuck again. We're not even going to attempt to go in today because we had a big snowfall yesterday of like 40 centimeters. Absolute ton of snow. Oh my land.
Don't carry me like
This is how she gets carried in.
Don't carry me like this.
Winter Wonderland.
Carry me normal now.
So much snow.
Yeah.
To think we just had it plowed like 2 weeks ago. That's crazy.
I'm too little. I'm not.
Don't know if you can see, but it looks like there's tracks. 2 sets of them, but they've just been snowed over. It's so deep, eh? It's almost up to his knees. Some pretty. Getting my workout today walking in here. Beautiful day, that's for sure.
No way.
70 acres of beautiful land. Can you see how deep these tracks are? So crazy. I feel like it'll be June before we get a vehicle in here.
Dad,
We've gone in, gathered everything we needed, checked on the place. Now walking back out, and we're starving. So we need to go get something to eat. Some pretty day though. Just a whole lot of snow.